Welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Amy. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so notified to my new upload video, and also give me a big thumbs up in comment below section. To my returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for all your support. I always really appreciate for all there with me and watch all my video. Thank you guys so much. I love you all. So in today's video, I have a triple unboxing beauty product from Hermes, Dior, and Chanel. So if you all remember that I did a video of online shopping, I did have a few bits from there, and actually I ordered from Neiman Marcus. Neiman Marcus having a sale way back, Black Friday sale. So it's arrived yesterday, and finally I have everything in here, so at least I can make a one-time video for this. So this is a triple unboxing beauty product. So let's start with a Chanel. So because of Jen of Miss Photogenic in Style, Jen, if you haven't subscribed her channel, I will leave her name description below. She has a beautiful content as well. She do luxury bags and hauls and beauty products as well. So because of her, I purchased these two brushes. Let's start with this Lay Pencil, the Chanel Pencil retractable dual-ended eyeshadow brush number 200. I don't know if you can see it, guys. So this is actually good price for this dual eyeshadow brush. So the bristle is quite actually soft. I can't wait to try this one as a blending brush. That's what it looks like. It's really nice, guys. So cute and really soft. And then you just put it up and put it back. So next is the other side of here. It is flat brush. See, it's very nice flat brush for your eyeshadow as well. I can't wait to try this one, especially when you do travel. This is perfect because you sometimes when I'm traveling, I just bring two eyeshadow, flat brush and a pointy brush like the one at the end. So the other one I have in here is actually this is for a concealer brush number 105. I can use up with this one as well with eyeshadow, but for this one just only for a concealer. This is what it looks like. This one, it's more soft than the other one. This is good for blending your probably your concealer. Let's see, put it back for that one. And the next one is this very fluffy, nice. It's quite stiffy for when you put your concealer. It's really nice, but I can use this one for eyeshadow as well on my lid. So that's why I'm getting this one, because I can use as one even though this one is for concealer. So those are the two I got from Chanel. Let's put it back, those. And because of that, I got a free items from Neiman Marcus. This is the freebies that I got. I choose this bag. I think you get a certain amount when you buy something, and you get all those free. That's the color, the really beautiful pink color, and this is all the free in here. This is nice shopping bag. So let's wanted to see what is the freebies that you give. Just only 2 items. I saw Irene, Be Fabulous With Me Irene. She has also this kind of free, but she get a lot of freebies. But this time just only this 2. This one is Tommy, You the Perfume. I bet this is for men. I'll give you 2 in there. And this sample from Guerlain. It's a Renew, Double R Renew and Repair Serum. So just really quite small, but it says a sample size. And also this Creed. Creed is quite expensive perfume though. And this is Aventus Cologne. Give you 1. So let's go on to the Dior. I got this Dior on John Lewis. Also John Lewis is having on 10 to 20% off. So we've got that one over here. I can get this one into the Dior website. Good thing I wait because John Lewis is having a sale. Sorry to that, guys. I just the wrap properly with this bubble wrap. So I got this. I'm just throwing everything on the floor. I got this set, guys. Beautiful set. This is Dior Captured Totally. This is a total age defying skincare ritual for a youthful, healthy glow. And it's really nice packaging. And it comes with this pouch. That's what I love about it, is because it comes with a pouch. Oh, it's really nice. It's like a velvety pouch. Weird. I thought it was more on like a plastic material, but it's not. It's more like a cloth. I forgot what you call this one. Anyway, I forgot what you call this one, this kind of cloth. And I like that Star Dior zipper for this. It's so cute. You can use this bag as well as your cosmetic pouch. And look at the inside of this, guys. It's a lot of CD Christian Dior. Oh my god, this is so nice. It's so fluffy. Oh, it's very nice. Oh, it's so cute though. So let's go on to the product. So I would like to try the skincare of Dior. And this one, guys, is only 59 pounds, which is a good price. And also I have a 10% discount for this. So I just pay like 50 something. And this one, this firming wrinkle correcting eye cream. This is a smaller size, but this is 5 ml. Definitely try their eye cream. I've been using a lot of eye cream. You know me, I like changing my skincare so I can see which is really good on me. Except the moisturizer of Clinique. I love that. So that's one is really works for me. So that's why I still have that. And this one is Lucian Serum. So I never had tried this one. The size for this is 50 ml. It's a really good size for this Dior skincare products. And I wish I can, if I like it, this item, I will probably get a full size. Of course, the one that I really want is this super potent serum, anti-age global total age defying intense serum. And this is 30 ml, guys. I think you just pay for this price and then you get 2 free items. I'm not sure, but I was thinking for that one. And I'm really glad that I got this one, especially for this price. Let me go on for this. You know, when you have a certain age, you have to protect your skin. So this is a pretty good price for this. I like using different kind of serum. That's what it looks like. The packaging of this Dior skincare, it's so fancy. It looks so nice. You know, it doesn't look like cheap at all. The bar, it's a glass. This one is a plastic, but this one is a glass. It looks so, look at that. It looks so fancy. It looks so nice. I love the packaging of this. Oh wow, I can't wait to try this skincare. So for the last one is from Hermes. So I went the other day, guys, and the lady who served me is so nice. She gave me a lot of freebies. Let's go on for this before I show you the last item from Hermes I got. I show you the freebies I got. I got this one when we walk into that beauty products in Selfridges. Guy gave us to this perfume. Okay, so she gave me 2 perfume for me and 2 perfume for my husband. So I think that's what this is for the men, I think, called You the Orange Verte, You the Cologne. And this one, she's so nice. Hermes customer service, it's so nice. I love the customer service. I talk about that next time, guys. They are so fabulous customer service. And I have this kind of perfume, this Twilly, and I love this. And this one, I don't think I have this one. It's called Exceller. There, I think they were new. I will try this today. And she also gave me this sample of lipstick. Oh, look how cute it is. She gave me 3 samples actually. This one is a rose, and then Life of MC Hap. This one I saw her in her lips. It so looks nice on her. That's why I'll ask her if I can have a sample size for this. If ever I like it, I will definitely purchase with this one. And the other one, she said this is new Rose Missiki, and this is 42 satin, and the other one is 70 matte rose, and then it's matte. This one is number 40 satin rose lipstick. It's more like a pinky. Okay, so the product that I got from Hermes are this baby. Yes, guys, look, she put the ribbon of this lipstick, and I really like her. And guys, she gave me her business card. So I guess I'm so happy that I have a SA now in Hermes. I don't have that before. So yeah, and this is the limited edition, guys. This is a Roulette Ray Mac Lipstick, and the color for this is number 54 matte rose note. I don't know if you can say that, rose note. Yeah, there you go. And this is the limited edition. She said that this is also a what's the name of this, refill. Even though this one is finished, I can use up with this. Example, if I finish this product, I can put the rose and then, so at least the packaging is a limited edition. Look at that beauty, and I really like this one over here, the pouch of this. Oh my god, the invoice each of this item. So this is the color of this. I do swatch 3 limited edition there, except the other ones like a brown color. I don't think that suit me, but this one is for wintry color. Let's swatch for you guys what it looks like. Look how beautiful it is. See that? It's so beautiful color and very moisturized and very, even though this is a matte, but it has a little bit of like shine to it. I can feel when I'm swatching it. It's so glide easy, and that's why I love about this lipstick. This is the second lipstick that I have from Hermes, so I would not buy anything again because I still have few lipstick. Guys, I've been getting a lipstick from Chanel, and I still have, maybe I will do have swatches for all my lipstick. So if you like to do, I will do that swatches. Just comment below. There you go, guys. That's it for my triple unboxing beauty product from this brand. So thank you again so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and comment below section and hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.